Good evening, welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with the latest recruitment, that is Capgemini recruitment. Guys, I will explain all the details of this job. Before that, still who have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends also. It will help lot of help for themselves also. Okay guys, let's move on to the job details. Guys, here the job post name was engineering in web or software. Here the CTC they have told 3 lakhs to 3 lakh 80,000 per annum, and eligibility criteria they have told should be graduating in 2021 and should have 60% and above in diploma graduation aggregate of 7 semesters and MCA aggregate of 5 semesters, ME or MTech. No percentage criteria for SSC and HSC course. Qualification they have required MCA, BE or BTech open for all branches, both BE and BTech also. ME or MTech students must be only from IT, information science and computer science. For ME or MTech students they have preferred only 3 branches, that is IT, information science and computer science. Must possess excellent English written or spoken communication skill, must be open to relocate any Capgemini location, work across technology domain, role should be ready to work in shift if required, should be open to sign service legal agreement bond. Candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages. The academic milestone stages consider 10th, 12th degree and post graduation. Candidate should not have any gap within an academic milestone. The milestone academic stages considered 10th, 12th diploma degree and post graduation. Example, taking 5 years versus 5 years to complete BE or BTech. The candidate who have taken degree after diploma should not have any gaps between diploma and degree. In case a candidate has appeared for 12 more than once, candidature will be considered provided both the mark sheet are available with an academic score of 50% or more in both attempts. Candidates should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. Only shortlisted candidates they'll be invited for the test assessment or selection process. Guys, I have given apply link in description box. You have to go to that link and apply. Guys, this is good opportunity for batches who have completed engineering in 2021 and graduating also in 2021. Okay guys, hope you like this video and please share this video to your friends also. It will help lot for themselves also. Once again, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends also and subscribe this channel.